am back. So, welcome back to another video. Y'all, it's Vlogtober 26. Ain't y'all happy? 26. How many days? Oh my God, it's 31 days. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We got 5 more days. It's the 26. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. So anyway, guys, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel, the Simply Natural Black Life channel. Okay? If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you here and join us. So guys, you guys remember this vacuum, the Tinaco vacuum? I want to show you something that I got sent over, but I actually sent off for it. So I'm going to separate this and we're going to talk about it. So you guys know these come with filters. If you don't know, I'm going to show you. So anyway, this is the filter right here that comes out like so. This is very easy, guys. This is a very easy vacuum. Very easy vacuum. This is how you release your dirt, your vacuum dirt and stuff. This is the whole piece and the filter right here. All you will do is just snap this back in here. But this is not the part you remove it. I'm just showing you guys. You will remove this, okay? So I reached out to the company and I got sent one. So if you go over there, if you own a Tinaco, I think I'm saying it right. If you own one of these vacuums, you can go over there and get $10 off of your order, whatever it is that you want. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is brand new. And then I'll show you the other one. Now you do have to wash these every I think it's every 6 months. I clean mine more than 6 months. It'll make your machine last longer. So this is clean. This is what the new one looks like versus the one that I cleaned. So yeah, if you guys go over there, like I said, tinaco.com, and you can put in there Sonia O, you can get $10 off of your purchase. So that's what I wanted to show you guys this morning. And you guys were wrong too when you told me y'all think I was putting a plant in that bedroom. No, ma'am. She's not putting a plant in that bedroom. She already got 3 plants in there, guys. I got the bird of paradise in there. I have my 2 snake plants in there. And, yeah, that's all. It's something else in here I'm going to put in there. I'll see if you guys can figure it out one day. But anyway, I don't want to show my address. But yeah, guys, if you have a Tinaco vacuum, please go over and get yourself a filter and get $10 off of your order. So guys, let's get into tea time. Y'all got y'all's coffee, y'all drink, whatever. Water, orange juice, just drink. I want y'all to read Proverbs. I think it's 3:13 or 13:3 of lacking knowledge, guys. We need knowledge. We need knowledge and wisdom, okay? Without any knowledge and any wisdom, we're not going to be able to go far. Especially as women, we think we know it all. We think we can do it all. No. Please pray for some wisdom and some knowledge, okay? That is my tea time for you guys today. He who lacks wisdom, it's not a good thing, okay? It's not a good thing. So anyway, guys, hold on, I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about, okay? Let's just go over there and see what she's talking about. All right, y'all. So you guys know I love my Zizi, right? And she's growing. She's growing really, really good. Look at that. She's growing really good. And I have her by my daily prayer. But she's growing so good. But this pot, y'all, this pot, every time you touch it, or I touch it, because I'm the only one that's allowed to touch these babies. But every time I touch this pot, it leaves fingerprints on it because it is the terracotta, and I guess that's just what terracotta does. But today, guys, I have decided we're gonna paint her white, and we're gonna see how she turns out. So I'm gonna see you guys on the flip side, and we're gonna go ahead and get it done, okay? Hi guys, I'm back. I had to make a little stop at the donation because y'all already know, if y'all don't be getting rid of stuff, y'all better, because it'll make a way back in your home, and I am not trying to be about that life. So I said, let me hurry up and take this stuff now and get it over with and get it out my home. So I'm going to be donating that high side. I wish some of you guys were here, because I be having stuff that I know some of you guys really like. So, and then this, y'all, she's so nice. And y'all know I added this part right here, this real wood to it. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me let this camera focus camera, so they can get a good look at you. Can y'all see it? Just so pretty, so pretty. But find another home, honey, because you can't stay with me. Y'all got paint all over my fingers and everything. Hopefully I can get it off. Let me see. Ooh, y'all, it's cold out here. It's like 46 and very windy. Y'all, it's so much stuff in this thing. Oh my gosh. People have really been donating. But yeah, guys, I had to get it. All right, y'all, I'm trying to decide, do I want to paint this vase right here? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Should I paint her or not? But like, now that I've painted this beautiful piece here, and she still has to dry. I felt really bad, y'all. I covered her with the bag and I kept her out there. And I just end up putting her in the garage, because it is, like I said earlier, I think it's got up to 56 today and high winds. So I didn't want to like mess up her foliage or anything. And I think she's okay, but let's take her bag off. Yeah, I think she's fine. She's fine. But, oh, her leaves are cold. But anyway, this is how everything turned out for right now. Y'all, I love that. See how you can see the engraving on it? It's so, so pretty. So I can see, like, I got it. It's like a little dusty here, as far as the, some little spray paint got on. So I'm just going to take a wet rag and wipe that off. But so far, so good, y'all. So tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, I have to remind myself to show y'all this. And, I don't know, it all depends on this evening if I feel like it. But guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't a lot, but yeah, I got some great stuff coming soon. And, let me know in the comments. I hope y'all can't hear that. Y'all can get the scenery, but you can't hear it, because I'm not trying to get my video demonetized. But let me know in the comments. Sorry for that glare, y'all. Let me know in the comments if